So once again, good evening, everyone. So as usual, we'll go with our standard discussions. With first, we'll go with our rules and mindset. So in mindset, the first thing which I insist everyone and every time is to must have a active income. This active income will help us to fulfill our regular routine or our bread and butter, and then we can put our money in the stock market for the long term. But if we will solely depend on the trading activities to fulfill our requirements, then it will be difficult to gain a good amount of profit from the market. Second thing is a learning part. Sorry, today I will not going to teach any new thing. As normally on Saturday night and Sunday morning, I used to read the books. So this time, extremely sorry, no new things from my side. But definitely next Sunday will come with some new learning. Then is rules is the main part of trading. If we are not follow the rules, we will not be able to generate good amount of profit, or we will not be able to cut our loss on time. So we must follow the rules. Whatever rules you are following, like I am following rigorously to the superhero for the entry and exit. Similar way, you can also have your own rules for the trading. Then morning routine, every must maybe using this morning routine in the form of walking or meditation or reading a book or some gym kind of thing. So whatever you are doing, if not doing, please start it, because wealth without health is of no use. Correct me if I'm wrong. Wealth without health is of no use. Otherwise, then whatever wealth you will generate will be taken care by doctors. And the making of a goal and follow the goals or try to implement those goals or try to achieve those goals. Up to here is okay. Now the what kind of the goals or what should be our goals should be. So I always insist to have a smart goal. Smart means it should be specific what you are going to achieve. It should be measurable also. मैं रोज वॉक करूंगा. How much kilometers or how much steps or how much time, it should be measurable. Then it should be achievable also. मैं 1 घंटे में 3 किलोमीटर वॉक कर लूंगा. पॉसिबल है, लेकिन हम बीच में बैठ गए तो क्या करेंगे. So it should be achievable also, realistic also, and there should be time bound also. So whatever goals we are defining must have a follow all these things. That goal should be a smart goal. Now let's go to the trend of the market. So if we go with the Nifty 50, so it is in strong uptrend. Last week we have discussed that it is on the border, or it may give exit, but again this is performing nicely. So still the long-term strength is there in the Nifty. So we can continue with the large cap if you have anything in your portfolio. Small cap and mid cap is outperforming the market. Small mid cap made new high, and it is making new high since last many days. Similar way, small cap is also making a new high on a continuous basis. So these two things are outperforming the market. Now, apart from this, some other index which I am finding very good or nice. That is, one is the Nifty MNC index. It is just completing the cup and make you good return. So this MNC index is consisting of most of the MNCs company like 3M, Boss, Stapler, like the MNCs company which are listed in India. So this index is consist most of MNCs companies. Then the next and most promising sector is FMCG. So it is just completed the cup. We have discussed this sector somewhere here also, that it is going to complete the cup. It completed the cup and now it is making a handle. So the next most promising sector is I am getting as a Nifty FMCG. The candle size is also nice. So you can focus some stocks from the FMCG sector also. Then Nifty infrastructure is also outperforming the market, as more focus of the government will be on the infrastructure. So this index will also going to be outperform. Though all these indexes cross its 10 years historic EPS value, but we don't know how it is going to perform in coming days, what kind of results these stocks or this stocks of this index are going to perform. But if we see most of the index achieve are trending above its 10 years average EPS. So some caution is required, but unless and until trend is there, we will ride with the trend, and whenever exit will trigger as per our exit system, we will exit from the stocks. And this is another most promising sector just ready to give a big move is the Nifty PSU Bank. Same I had mentioned in last message of Friday that now I'm getting some sense in Nifty PSU Bank. So just it is on the daily chart. It is just close our superhero band, and now getting ready for move. And if you see most of the PSU stocks are just giving a sign of reversal. Whether you look at the PNB, BOB, UCO Bank, Bank of India, so most of the PSU banks are showing a sign of reversal. Though the candles are red, but it is showing the sign of reversal. And our all-time favorite energy sector. Now there will be more movement can be possible as ICICI has launched one mutual fund on energy sector. So when that NFO will get close, and the sudden amount will come in the energy sector stocks, this sector will also give return like the defense basket which we bought last week. And Motilal Oswal launched that defense sector mutual NFO. And when they have started to buy, we got a good 25-30% return in most of the defense stocks. So we can also keep this sector in our radar for next 2 weeks. As that NFO is going to be closed on 16 or 17 of July. So when that NFO will close, and then the fund manager will start to buy from the energy sector. So we can get good return in energy sector in next week. Then the success stories are this.
भूपेंद्र जी एक पॉइंट था, सॉरी मैं लेट ज्वाइन किया, आई डोंट
Yes,
नो
sir.
क्या हुआ था पहले. ये एनर्जी सेक्टर का जो है, कैन वी हैव गुड स्टॉक्स लिस्ट एटलीस्ट 1 to 5 समथिंग लाइक दिस?
See, sir, in energy sector now we don't know where renewable energy. Then you will have this SW Solar will be there, JSW Energy will be there, Tata Power will be there, Adani Power will be there, SJVN will be there. And they will not only put money in this energy sector, they will also put their money in the energy, means the finance, REC. So we need to understand from the charts where we are getting the movement. Yeah, but for sure we can make a watch list of the various energy stocks, like the energy sector financing company, energy manufacturer, energy transmission.
Okay, ठीक.
Power grid will be there. So we need to identify the stocks, from which stocks they are going to pick. In then in renewable we will have this Inox Wind also, Bari Renewable also. So we can make a watch list of the all this energy sector in stocks. And then we can monitor where the movement is. NFO will start, and when this fund will start to buy, the same day we will try to exit. Because once this sudden buy will come and the sudden move will come in the stocks, most of the traders buying the stocks try to that, and once this NFO close and the fund do its stopping, they also exit at the same time. So that we can play. Means the same thing. This I am understand this thing when I got good result in this Mathematics and coaching sector. Then I was just doing some analysis why such things has happened, and then as I have invested in Motilal Oswal defense sector fund, so I just check, okay, this NFO was closed on this particular day, and next day sudden move so
और ये दूसरा ये
possible, and
डिफेंस
that is why the
डिफेंस
sudden
का
move is
स्टिल और डिफेंस का स्टिल इट विल कंटिन्यू क्या थोड़ा कम भी हो जाएगा अभी?
no, it will going to be continuous, sir. But the movement which we got suddenly 30% in 2 days, that cannot be possible again and again. Yes,
अच्छा अच्छा स्लो होएगा थोड़ा. ओके ओके.
from percent plus. So some consolidation or some sideways movement will be there, but ultimately it is going to be still there is possibility of 2x from here also within short period of time. But as I am not putting anything for long term. I prefer short term gain because if able to achieve the things only you need to do the regular trading. But if you are a peaceful trader, you can identify such good company and you can put your money there also. But then there will not be adventure in the life. Okay. Can you move forward? Can we move forward, sir? Rajkumar, sir?
Yes, sir.
हाँ yes sure.
So this is what the success story. Most of this chart has been shared in the group also. Hutko I have not traded this list, and EPL, and we made good money. Hope most of you also have made good money in these stocks. In failure, I don't have any failure. If anyone has have any failures, then we can open the chart and we can discuss those things here.
सर हुडको में मैंने 50% गेन किए पिछले एक महीने में. इट माइट बी ग्रेटर देन दैट, आई डोंट रिमेंबर, बट इज मोर देन दैट
Yes.
सर.
Yeah. So failure is no any failures. Watch list you all have. I have already shared in the WhatsApp group. And now I am open for any queries or doubt. I am answering the screen, and we can take the doubts or query if anyone has.
सर मेरा एक क्वेश्चन था. सर may I speak?
Yes, sir.
सर
Pardon,
मेरी
sir?
मैं इस सर मेरी 1.5-2 साल से मेरी जो ऑब्जर्वेशन है, मुझे ये लगता
हाँ.
है कि मार्केट में कभी एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स भी डिटरमाइन करते हैं मार्केट की डायरेक्शन को. तो
Yes.
क्यों ना हमें सर बाहर के भी कुछ चार्ट्स कभी कभी स्टडी करने चाहिए, जैसे नेस्डेक है, जैसे निकेई है, जैसे डाउ जोन्स हैं, इंडस्ट्रियल जो ये हैं, मेरे को पूरे तो नाम भी नहीं पता है, बट आई हैव
Yes,
कम
sir.
टू नो कि इनसे भी हमें बहुत कुछ पिक्चर मिल जाती है. तो जो
Yeah.
मेरे को समझ आई, तो मैंने कहा सर आपसे कहूंगा, सर आप अगर इनको भी चार्ट्स को लें तो हमें फिर
Okay.
एक आइडिया रहता है कि मार्केट किधर जा रहा है, हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं.
Okay. So from next week onwards, I will try to add this Dow Jones, Nikkei,
जी सर, थैंक यू.
3 charts from the various the fastest growing economies of India. So most of the other countries' market is depending on the India. Earlier, it was like that. We used to we are more depending on the other countries' market. But now other companies' market are dependent on the India, because most of their stocks which they are performing there, most of them have started their unit in India. And based on the performance of India's unit, their stocks are giving performance there. Are you getting my point?
यस सर. यस सर, वेरी क्लियर.
But for sure from next week onwards, so that we can get a feel. Okay. So anything else can we discuss, or anyone? Imran, have you ready? Are you ready? Imran, are you ready with your success stories? Today is your day.
Hello. My voice is coming, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, your voice is coming clearly. You have
Yes,
to
sir.
present your success story today.
नहीं, मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं सर, अभी बहुत मतलब एक्टिव ट्रेडिंग अभी 2-3 महीनों से स्टार्ट किया हूँ सर.
Whatever, if you generate 500 rupees, that is also. It
Okay,
somebody
this
asks you
week.
to present it, so it is your time today.
Okay, sir.
So
This week
you
in
need to present. See, I have seen your. See, you will motivate others also. Otherwise,
Okay,
Rajkumar sir is ready to share.
okay, sir, I can.
Yeah. And also share the thoughts why you have took that trade. So other will get motivated.
Yes,
Now,
sir.
Scott is new to our community, so he will get motivated from you.
Oh, that's good.
Right, George?
Yes, Bhupendra ji.
Yes. Hello. So
You can
present
share
करना है
chart
पर
also where you took the entry, and yeah, you have to present. Either you can share your charts, or you can share your profit summary.
okay.
Whatever you prefer. Where you took entry, you have exited. Where you have exited, what was your thought for entry? What was your thought for exit?
So मेरा ये वीक का बताता हूँ मैं. 1 वीक में ये करंट वीक में 30K जनरेट किया हूँ.
Okay, good. So everyone, please put a clap sign.
मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है सर? हेलो.
Yes. 19 June to 5 June.
Yes, for the current week, my net profit is 30K or around 30-31K.
It's better than expectation. Yeah.
Yes. So इसके 4 ट्रेड है सर, तो मैं 1-2 इसमें से ब्रीफ करूंगा. एक तो आरवीएनएल, तो वो मोमेंटम में था. एनबीसीसी.
Yeah.
सर एक चीज मैं आपसे शेयर करना चाह रहा था सर. जो मैं आपसे जो चार्ट शेयर करता हूँ ना,
Yes.
अपना जो सुपर हीरो में जो स्टॉक्स आते हैं वो इधर आते हैं, ये
Yes.
फर्स्ट कैंडल पे, मतलब जब
Yes.
रिवर्सल आता है. मैं सर
Yes.
ट्राई कर रहा हूँ कि जो मेरा ओवरसोल का जो टेक्निक है RSI 3 विलियम परसेंटेज आर, मैं यहाँ ट्राई करता हूँ कि यहाँ इसको कैच करूँ. ये जो ग्रीन जोन है ना, जो ये, तो
Yes.
मैं यहाँ इसको
Super
कैच
hero.
करता हूँ, फिर वॉच लिस्ट में डालता हूँ. देन अपने जो सुपर हीरो का चार्ट है, सेट है पूरा मेरा, उसमें जाके मैं चेक करता हूँ कि इसमें रिवर्सल शो हो रहा है कि नहीं.
Okay.
तो देखो इसमें जब रिवर्सल दिखता है, देन एंड टू एंट्री अप्रोक्स यहाँ पर. गोइंग वेरी वंडरफुल सर, वेरी वंडरफुल जा रहा है, बहुत अच्छा जा रहा है. अभी रिसेंटली कल ही मैंने फ्राइडे के दिन डॉलर इंडस्ट्रीज डाला उधर. देखो डॉलर इंडस्ट्रीज इधर बहुत.
Okay. Yeah. It was a reversal thing also.
यस, देखो ये सर, ये ओवरसोल्ड हुआ, तो
Yes.
ओवरसोल्ड के बाद एक रिवर्सल कैंडल का वेट करता हूं मैं लोअर टाइम फ्रेम में से फॉर 1 आवर 2 आवर में.
Similar way, you can see the chart of Cupid also.
Which one? कौन सा सर?
CUPID. Cupid.
क्यूपिड. ओके.
Cupid. CUPID.
यस, ठीक है. यस, ये इसका एक्चुअली कुछ हुआ था, स्प्लिट हुआ था, तो उसके बाद कई टाइम से कंसोलिडेशन में चल रहा था ये, तो अभी कुछ इसमें मोमेंट्स आया है. तो मैं इसको सिर्फ, ये चार्ट को सिर्फ अपने वॉच लिस्ट में ऐड करने के लिए कि इसमें रिवर्स वाला है, मेरा स्कैनर वगैरह सब बने हुए हैं। देन मैं इसको फाइनली अपने जो सुपर हीरो का चार्ट है उस पर देखता हूँ 2 आवर्स में 1 आवर में कि रिवर्सल उसमें आया है, देन कुछ एंट्री का डिसाइड करता हूँ सर। बहुत हेल्प मिलती है।
Imran ji, can you just show me?
doubt or any query or want to learn what Imran is doing?
Yeah, Imran ji, can you just
Yeah,
show?
Rajkumar sir.
Yeah.
जी
So
सर।
you, आपने बोला था इसमें देख के then you will go to the other superhero chart में देख के then you will take
Yes.
the decision of taking the position, right? So can you just show
Correct.
that also and then show us, tell us as to how you're going to take the position?
which stock sir?
I mean, be it RVNL or maybe NBCC. Okay,
NBCC.
so पहले
NBCC
NBCC आपको किधर से मिला? I mean, हमारा वो कंपाउंडिंग स्क्रीनर से मिला है क्या पहले बार?
नहीं, एक तो सर ने डाले थे, भूपेंद्र जी ने डाले थे।
हाँ,
टू बी फ्रैंक सर, आप सर के स्टॉक्स बहुत अच्छे जाते हैं, बट मेरा कैपिटल लिमिटेड है तो मैं हर स्टॉक में एंट्री नहीं ले सकता हूँ। करेक्ट?
ठीक है, ओके।
तो सर
नहीं
जो
नहीं,
डालते हैं,
आपका एक्चुअली पॉइंट ऐसा है कि आपके पास कुछ स्क्रीनर है क्या जिसमें आपको स्टॉक मिलते हैं और आप
बिल्कुल
सुपर हीरो में
यस
देखते हो?
यस
तो वो
यस, मैं
क्या
आपको
है,
सर
वो क्या, हाँ क्या है वो स्क्रीनर?
ये देखो, ये देख रहा सर, मेरा है ना, असल में मैं आपको बताता हूँ, मैंने और मेरा स्क्रीन दिख रहा है ना,
हाँ हाँ,
हाँ, दिख रहा है।
ये जो 120 स्टॉक्स फॉर द टाइमिंग है करंटली इसमें मेरे पास।
अबू धाबीला जाणारे इंडिगो से
ये मेरी वॉच लिस्ट है सर, ठीक है। तो इसके बेसिस पे मैं अपना रिवर्सल का एक स्टॉक वो बनाया हूँ, अपना स्कैनर बनाया हूँ। इसमें क्या है, बेसिक 200 मूंगे हो रहे जो ऐसे कैपिटल मार्केट कैप हो, ये नहीं भी डालेंगे क्योंकि मेरा सिर्फ वॉच लिस्ट रखो। मेन पैरामीटर सर ये है इसका, मेरा RSI 234 विलियम आर। तो इसमें ना मुझे अभी इतने ये सब स्टॉक अगर आप चार्ट में देखोगे ना सर, सब में रिवर्सल आया है, बट एंट्री कब करना है देन आपको डिसाइड करना है आपके सुपर हीरो चार्ट के बेसिस पर।
But then these stocks will be there in the compounding, in the dashboard of this screener also, right?
सॉरी, कैन यू रिपीट?
No, see now this is a screener, some screener that you have developed, right? So we also
Yes.
have we also have a dashboard which is being given by Bhupendra ji, right?
यस यस।
So you refer to that and take it, or you, I mean, you will refer to this and take. I mean,
मैं ऐसा कंबाइन करता हूँ कि मल्टीपल, अगर इसमें भी है और उसमें भी है और मेरा चार्ट भी बता रहा है कि यू कैन मस्ट टेक एंट्री, आप रिस्क ले सकते हो, तो मैं फिर एंट्री डिसाइड करता हूँ सर,
ठीक है, ओके।
मल्टीपल कंफर्मेशन के हिसाब से, मतलब
हाँ, ओके,
क्योंकि मेरा जो कैपिटल है उसी को मुझे रोलिंग करना है सर।
ओके। And then you take position on a weekly basis and exit, or you hold it for long?
मोस्टली आई टेक 8 to 10% अगर मिल जाता तो मैं बुक कर देता सर।
Okay.
Actually, the best part in IMAS trading is that when he put a buy order, at the same time he is putting the stop loss also and he is putting target also.
एग्जैक्टली
Yeah.
यस।
Once target is achieved, he is not seeing that things.
Right. Either it hit the stop loss or it will hit the profit.
करेक्ट, बिल्कुल राइट।
Right, okay.
So anytime I just ideally, but he was stick to his principle. This was he is playing with 1:3 ratio.
Okay,
So
okay.
either I will lose 1 rupees or I will earn 3 rupees.
Right.
एग्जैक्टली यस।
So that is the best part he is doing actually. When he is making an entry, he set the stop loss and he set the target also.
Okay.
And when position is get close, we can write as per our superhero on hourly chart or daily chart, whatever chart you prefer. We can do that also.
यस।
So, Imran ji, can you check one of the charts, Coal India, and then see, I mean, can you just brief us as to what's your observation on these charts?
1 सेकेंड। सी सर, ये मेरे हिसाब से इधर देखो, एक मल्टीपल चीज क्या होती है सर, देखो ये जो 55 डीएमए है ना, 55 ईएमए, सॉरी, ये ग्रीन लाइन देख रहे हैं आप? ये मोस्ट ऑफ द स्टॉक्स है ना सर, अगर मोमेंटम में, मतलब अपवर्ड जर्नी में है, तो वहां से सपोर्ट लेते हैं अक्सर। आप देखो कई स्टॉक्स, आपकी कोई भी स्टॉक देख लो, तो ये मेरे स्कैनर में इधर आया होगा सर, यहाँ पर अप्रोक्सीमेट, यहाँ पर 466 465 पे। तो ये अभी थोड़ा थोड़ा बढ़ के अभी इसका एक और सर ये ब्रेकआउट भी होगा इसका होपफुली यहाँ पे। अभी भी अच्छी एंट्री है मेरे हिसाब से सर।
493 494 क्रॉस किया तो मे शायद ब्रेकआउट हो जाएगा ना, दैट्स माय अंडरस्टैंडिंग, सो आई थॉट
यस करेक्ट,
रिवैल्यूएटेड विद ऑल।
यस। और एक चीज सर मैं अपना ऑब्जर्वेशन के हिसाब से बता रहा हूँ, मेरे
See,
एक
again,
स्कैनर में कोई भी स्टॉक सर जो 52 वीक हाई के 80 to 90% के रेंज में है, कोई भी स्टॉक मतलब अच्छे स्टॉक्स, वो अगर एक बार स्विंग लो मार रहा है तो बेस्ट एंट्री बनती है सर उसमें।
ओके,
मतलब कोई भी स्टॉक से फॉर एग्जांपल इसका
and
52
there will be negative things for this Coal India. As this fund has came for the energy sector, so they
Yes.
will not only invest in the renewable energy, they need to go with the this conventional energy sector also. So the Coal India will
आपका वॉइस ब्रेक हो गया भूपेंद्र जी।
यस वॉइस थोड़ा ब्रेक हो
for
रहा है।
other energy. Coal India can cross or make a new high also.
ओह राइट, ओके।
ये
But you
बुल
need to
बुल
then
बुल
wait
स्टार्ट
up to 20th July. Once this on 17th, when this NFO will get closed, it may start to give a good breakout.
राइट राइट राइट। Large volume. But in this case, I mean, when we are looking at Blue Star, no, there's a long wicket that is created. So is that a problem, or we can still take
नो
those?
सर
And again, then we see normally what happens when this stock is crossing the Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band stop is working as a resistance.
Right.
So now, as this stock has given a breakout and it is reversed from its stop,
Right.
within next 1 or 2 days,
आपका वॉइस काट रहा है भूपेंद्र जी।
Bollinger Band size will get enlarged. This Bollinger Band stop is working as a resistance. Whenever
Okay.
it will touch the top portion of Bollinger Band, it is going to be correct and it is for sure to be come to the center of the Bollinger Band.
Okay.
Sometime it is making a single candle from center to the long, but it is getting also get resisted from its all-time high. So
Right.
we need to check on the hourly chart whether this high selling has come with big volume or the buying is come with the big volume.
सर आपका नेट का थोड़ा इशू है कि मेरा पता नहीं ना, वॉइस ब्रेक हो रही सर आपकी थोड़ी।
मेरा नेट का थोड़ा इशू।
Imran ji, similarly,
Okay.
can you just check Oberoi Realty also?
Which one?
Oberoi Realty.
ओपेरा सर ऑलरेडी मेरे ट्रैक में है, अभी ये वीक में ही ट्रैक में आया है। ये असल में इधर एक रिवर्स, ये सेटअप फेल्स भी होते हैं ना सर। देखो मेरे हिसाब से यहाँ रिवर्सल बना था इसका। ये इधर ओवरसोल्ड में हुआ था, रिवर्सल दिया भी इसने, बट वापस अगेन ये बैक हो रहा है ये। तो अभी मैं इसका वेट करूंगा यहाँ आने पर, या सर ये इसका ये क्रॉस होने पर, मतलब एक रिवर्सल कैंडल का वेट करने पर, या मोस्ट प्रोबेबली वापस इधर आएगा ये 55 ईएमए पे।
But how are you identifying that it's in the oversold level?
ये पैरामीटर है सर, RSI 34 विलियम परसेंटेज आर।
ओके।
देखो ये जोन दिख रहा है, ये ओवरसोल्ड जोन है सब।
वो ग्रीन कलर वो ओवरसोल्ड है क्या?
एग्जैक्टली हाँ। इसमें ये तो 30 के नीचे बन जाता है, बट मेरा पैरामीटर 10 का है और इसमें 80 का है, -80 का। तो देखो ये ऑलरेडी ओवरसोल्ड जोन में है ये।
भूपेंद्र जी, अपना जो डैशबोर्ड में ओवरसोल्ड है तो इट इज सेम ना?
ऑलमोस्ट सेम है वही सब।
We have overbought and reversal is the same. When it will start from kind of setup is our reversal. If you see our champion dashboard reversal portion, most of the banking sector is coming from that zone now. That is why I have put a message. This Nifty PSU Bank is in to keep Nifty PSU Bank in radar. Simran, can you unshare your screen. Let me share this.
और भूपेंद्र जी में मेरा एक रिक्वेस्ट है, ये डाउनलोड का थोड़ा फैसिलिटी देखो ना यार प्लीज.
That I will do. Don't worry, sir. You will get the data for 6 months also. We are working on that. So if you see this Champions Dashboard reversal, are you able to get this reversal?
Yes, yes.
So if you see reversal, I had shared around 3:15. I had shared a message. Time of PSU Bank. You see all the banks. PSU Bank was Ken Bank, Maharashtra Bank, Central Bank. Every bank is in our reversal stock list. And if you open the chart, you will find the same setup what Imran has explained right now. Like I will go with Ken Bank. Net is so slow. On the daily chart, the stock is already become oversold, and now it is starting. So most of the bank, the PSU Bank is having the same kind of setup. On our chart, they have given entry. If you see on hourly chart, they are running parallel to our superhero band. And we can get 5 to 7% easily. We can get up to 122 easily. And it may go strong. So whatever setting you have seen, all these settings are here itself. So whatever stocks you are finding here, just check for the stocks which are gain more than 1.5%. Those stocks are more promising to give good return.
Got it, sir.
George, I'm not getting your voice.
Got it, got it.
Okay.
सर एक इसमें PSU बैंक बीस भी है अलग से, तो ETF जैसा है, just like Nifty बीस. So if you don't want to select any specific PSU bank, that index is also.
Try to go with the stocks only, sir, because these are moving very slow. Whether you take silver B or you take any Bs, they are not moving very fast. But if you select one or two stocks which are having a strong chart, then you can get good money. Stocks 6 are gaining by 5% and 4 are getting down by 3%. Ultimately, your B will gain by hardly 2%. But at the same time, if you get those stocks which are moving by 4%, 6%, that can give you good return. So just follow some strong chart. So try to avoid in these. Otherwise, you can identify some good mutual fund where they have the dominance on the strong charts.
Sure. Okay, thank you.
Any doubt?
One more thing, Bhupendra ji. See this morning intraday charts mein, I mean, example, if the stock is the other day, I mean, I had BEML already. So I could find Bemel in that particular chart. I mean, in that
Okay.
screener. So by the time I saw that, I mean, it was around 5, 6, 7% or something. Then it closed. It already hit around 15%. Then I exited. So I already had that. But then again, how do you kind of pick it up basis the intraday chart? So is it above 5% that you have to pick it up, or maybe, I mean, any parameter for that?
No,
Or-
no, I will explain you. Like I will go with the chart of RVNL. Correct.
Uh-huh.
Let me open the chart. Only 15-minute charts.
Right.
Okay.
Mhm.
So this is the chart of RVNL, and on the 15-minute chart, when you open around 9:15 or 9:20, it is already extended.
Right.
And I am not preferring to go in any trade if my stop loss is more than 3%. So what I will do, I will this consolidation. See, if IRS just wait and they ignore the trade in the stocks, so ultimately those who bought here or bought here, when the price of stock came to their price, they exited because they were intraday trader. So they are not ready to take any kind of loss. Then I look for such kind of small consolidation, and when it starts, I used to buy somewhere near to this point.
Mhm.
So in a day, if we see the Raymonds also, it will also give you the initial, it is up by 4-5%.
Mhm.
Then it is again consolidated, and finally it is exited. See here, it was gap up opening was there, but it was running with the superhero itself. Then again, if you are taking any position from intraday chart, follow only on 15 minutes and try to catch stock near to superhero band itself. It should not be extended from superhero band.
Okay. And that again, we should pick up those stocks which is done 5%, or maybe even if it's 1-2% also we can look at. I think we lost your voice, Bhupendra ji.
Is done 5 to 7%. So to get 4 to 6%, you need to lose max 2%.
Right, right, okay.
Then there will be 1:2 or 1:3 ratio for intraday.
Right, right.
भूपेंद्र जी, I would like to ask,
Yes, sir.
चैंपियंस जो इंट्राडे का आता है, in that, which one comes later is added on the top or on the bottom side?
Yeah.
Bottom side.
Sequence.
I meant one sequence क्या रहता है, like whichever is coming,
No,
suppose
whatever is gain more will be at top. Means the stock which is having more strength. See, ultimately,
no, actually it should be the way, if some stock is coming at 920, so that should be coming before, then which stock is coming at 930 or 945, that should be on the lower side, because that becomes confusing if one stock is coming at 945 and is on the top of the chart. So one doesn't get to know at what time to enter, whether to enter that or not to enter.
okay.
It should be at least in the sequence, whatever time, whichever is coming first, it should be on the top. After that, the stock, whichever stock is coming, it should be on the second. And at 9:50, if some stock is coming, should be on the third. And after 10 p.m., 10 a.m., whatever is coming should be on the fourth. Like it should be on some sequence, whatever be the percentage wise. But
That I Vinit, that I will need to check with my person whether that is possible or not, because we are working for something where we are trying to add a time here, regardless of the
so that at least one gets to know whether it has come right now only or whether it had come 1 hour before.
of the percentage.
Yeah,
That I
at
will
least
check
one
with the
will get
person.
to know. At least one will get to know whether it has just come in or it has came an hour before or so, because no one is going to take all that trades. If I am coming at 10:35, I don't know which one had come closer to 10:35 time.
Okay.
So that may be a problem. Yeah.
सर 9:15 या 9:20 से मूवमेंट स्टार्ट हो जाता है इंट्राडे में, जब 9:30 या 9:40 तक आप देखो काफी अप जाते हैं।
Or else Yeah, or else just add a time column with that कि इस time पे ये आया,
Yes.
so that at least one will get to know. Even if I'm entering at 11 a.m., if I'm seeing, if I start seeing the charts at 11, the screener at 11 a.m., I'll.
Yeah.
I think the time stamp will be better.
Hello.
See, are you getting?
सर वॉइस क्लियर नहीं है.
Screen of WhatsApp. Are you able to see my WhatsApp screen?
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir. Yes, sir.
So we are doing some back testing like this. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
This is what your problem is, Vinith. At what time the stock is came? Correct.
Correct,
All
correct.
this you want all these things. No? At 14.
Correct, exactly.
40. Understanding because the condition which we have set for intraday, we have set for the 15 minutes charts. So this time will again get changed again and again, as I saw in this RVNL chart.
Okay.
So RVNL chart come first also, then it is given an exit, again it is given an entry. But for
Oh.
Sir, voice.
Positional. So just wait. We are with this demand is already came
Okay.
from Rajkumar sir earlier. So we are
Okay,
working on
okay.
that.
भूपेंद्र जी, आपका वीडियो बंद करो थोड़ा, आपका आवाज क्रैक हो रहा है, बैंडविड्थ अच्छा चलेगा. यू कैन स्विच ऑफ योर वीडियो, बहुत ब्रेक हो रहा है आपका.
ओके.
और दूसरा एक भी पूछने का था, वो एक कुछ अभी
आ रहा है सर आवाज?
इसमें कुछ चेंज किया है क्या नया? आई गॉट सम नोटिफिकेशन फ्रॉम ट्रेडिंग व्यू, तो सुपर हीरो में कुछ चेंज किया है क्या अभी?
Yeah, actually earlier super hero whenever we used to load the chart, it took some times, 15 second और 20 second का डिले होता था.
मतलब सेम अपने को अनलोड करके लोड करने का ऐसा सेम ना?
Yes, same. Only the speed will be increased.
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके. So we have to unload and again load.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh. So can we close? Yes, actually I have to leave early morning 6 o'clock. So with your due permission, can I close the session?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you very much.